Hey there, welcome back to our channel. We all know that getting rich doesn't come easy and there are certain things you will need to give up along the way. Today, we are diving into a topic that could change the game for you. Sacrifice these 8 things to achieve wealth. It's not just about the money, it's about crafting a life of abundance. So buckle up and let's get started. Stick to the end of the video, we have a bonus tip for you. Let's get into it without wasting any time. Number 8. Comfort Zone. In the pursuit of personal and professional evolution, the decision to sacrifice one's comfort zone emerges as a pivotal choice. The comfort zone, while providing a sense of security, often serves as a barrier to growth and innovation. Stepping beyond the familiar, embracing discomfort, and navigating the unknown are prerequisites for unlocking untapped potential. It requires a willingness to challenge the status quo, comfort fears, and endure temporary discomfort for the sake of long-term fulfillment. Sacrificing the comfort zone is an investment in resilience, adaptability, and self-discovery, propelling individuals toward new heights and opportunities that lie just beyond the boundaries of familiarity. As the saying goes, true growth begins where comfort ends, and it is within this unexplored territory that individuals find the inspiration to redefine their limits and reach unparalleled success. Number 7. Free time. Sacrificing free time emerges as a strategic investment. Redirecting leisure hours towards career development, skill enhancement, or the nurturing of entrepreneurial endeavors can be a catalyst for achieving long-term goals. By prioritizing productivity over moments of leisure, individuals open doors to unparalleled opportunities and the prospect of financial prosperity. This sacrifice is not a forfeiture of enjoyment but a strategic allocation of time, recognizing that the dividends of focused effort and dedication often yield the greatest returns. In essence, sacrificing free time becomes a deliberate step towards crafting a future defined by accomplishment, growth, and the fulfillment of aspirations. Number 6. Unproductive Habits. The decision to sacrifice unproductive habits stands as a transformative choice. Discarding behaviors such as excessive screen time or procrastination is not merely an act of elimination but a deliberate redirection of energy toward activities that foster skill enhancement and knowledge acquisition. By consciously replacing counterproductive habits with purposeful endeavors, individuals position themselves as a trajectory of continuous improvement. This sacrifice becomes a strategic investment in self-development, laying the foundation for enhanced productivity, efficiency, and the cultivation of a mindset geared towards success. In essence, choosing to relinquish unproductive habits is a powerful commitment to personal growth and the realization of one's full potential. Number 5. Negative Influences. The strategic decision to sacrifice negative influences becomes paramount. Conducting a thorough assessment of one's social circle and consciously distancing oneself from individuals who exude negativity is an essential step toward creating a conducive environment for success. By shedding the weight of pessimism and discouragement, individuals open the door to a more positive and empowering support system. This sacrifice is a deliberate investment in mental well-being and a commitment to fostering an atmosphere that nurtures ambition and financial prosperity. Ultimately, severing ties with negative influences is a crucial strategy for maintaining focus, resilience, and a steadfast commitment to achieving long-term goals. Number 4. High debt. Prioritizing the repayment of debts with steep interest rates is a calculated move aimed at unburdening financial resources and creating avenues for strategic investments. By elevating the weight of high-interest debt, individuals not only secure a more stable financial foundation but also unlock the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. This sacrifice is akin to clearing a path toward financial liberation, allowing individuals to redirect funds towards ventures that hold the promise of substantial returns. In essence, sacrificing high debt is an intentional step towards building a resilient financial portfolio and seizing opportunities for lasting prosperity. Number 3. Material Possession. For years, I adhered to a steadfast principle: if it didn't contribute directly to my well-being or business, I refrained from acquiring it. This meant foregoing flashy gadgets, designer attire, and extravagant accessories. My philosophy was clear-cut: earn, invest diligently, and manage what remains judicially. While there were instances where financial constraints were palpable, the majority of our earnings were channeled into investments. Sacrificing material possessions wasn't a simple feat, but it represented a modest toll for the assurance of long-term financial independence. It posed the question, would you prefer to be a lion for a fleeting moment, garnering respect for our lifetime, or a sheep devoid of honor throughout the years? This sacrifice, challenging though it maybe, underscores a commitment to building a robust foundation for lasting financial security. Number 2. Excessive spending. Strategic financial success often hinges on the deliberate sacrifice of excessive spending. By scrutinizing and curbing unnecessary expenses, individuals can align their lifestyle with their means, fostering a financial environment conducive to saving and investing. This sacrifice is not about deprivation, but rather a conscious choice to allocate resources wisely, ultimately paving the way for increased financial security and wealth accumulation. As the adage goes, live within your means, invest the rest. This prudent approach positions individuals on a trajectory toward financial empowerment, where each sacrificed indulgence becomes an investment and sustainable future. Number 1. Your ego. In the realm of personal and professional development, a profound sacrifice often revolves around taming one's ego. It entails relinquishing the need for constant validation, fostering humility, and embracing a mindset of continuous learning. This strategic choice is not a surrender of confidence, but rather a conscious decision to prioritize collaboration over competition and feedback over accolades. By subduing the ego, individuals pave the way for improved interpersonal relationships, constructive growth, and the ability to absorb valuable insights from diverse perspectives. In essence, sacrificing the ego becomes a cornerstone for building lasting success, emphasizing that true mastery lies not in the preservation of self-image, but in the perpetual quest for refinement and excellence. Conclusion. In the journey toward financial prosperity, the strategic sacrifice of these 8 crucial elements stands as a roadmap to wealth accumulation. Whether it be relinquishing the chaos of a bustling lifestyle, stepping out of the comfort zone, or cutting ties with toxic relationships, each sacrifice is a deliberate investment in personal and professional growth. Thanks for watching.